I really feel like, what happened in 2020, let's face it, that was challenging for everybody,
Yeah.
From a societal perspective and, with systemic racism and everything we saw with George Floyd and the other names that we can sit here and talk about. I think, the pandemic just helped to amplify and illuminate that in a different way.
Yeah.
Because everybody was home. And again, this is just kind of my opinion and my thoughts, but, we've been seeing those situations over and over and over again over the past how many years? Just feels like forever.
Yeah.
But for whatever reason, it felt like last year, it put the world on notice, both from a personal and professional perspective. So I think when you want to talk about how we can, think about DE&I moving forward, I would like to think that it just feels like, the groundswell of last year. And even now, I'm hoping it's really an inflection point for our country and for all of us to really think about how we could be more inclusive, how we need to really leverage and drive the value of diversity and belonging, a sense of belonging. And for me and, for my organization, we're deeply rooted in that. We're having those, conversations, those necessary conversations, because I really believe that, you can't solve what you don't talk about. So we have to talk about these tough challenges, right? As painful as they may be.
Yeah.
But I also think it just gives us the unique ability and an opportunity just to be closer as an organization, to be closer as a society, and to really think about how diversity is our strength.
Yeah.
And so I'm hoping that, no, we don't take that step backwards. I'm hoping that this is not a flashpoint. Again, I'm hoping it's an inflection point. And I'm hoping it just really shows us as an organization, again, as communities, as people, that our diversity as a nation, as a society, is really what makes us strong. And if we tap into that in ways that we haven't prior to 2020 and in the past, that, looking forward, that we can be that much stronger as a country. And also we can take these learnings as we look at our various business strategies and how do we tap into that diversity, right? And how do we just drive cultures that feel like, all employees and all associates have a sense of belonging. They can bring their true selves to work. Because if they can't do that, they can't bring their true selves to work, right? How can we expect them to really drive ideation or innovation or really drive our business strategy in a meaningful way? I'm Don Jones from MassMutual. Welcome to the future of insurance.